Is it time to buy or sell Palladyne AI stock? In this video, we are taking an in-depth look at Palladyne AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 27th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any essential updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 20th, 2024, our system has ranked Palladyne AI as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 233.43% since we first recommended purchasing Palladyne AI 5 days ago. This impressive performance equates to an average return of 46.69% per day since it was designated hold accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given recent developments, we find ourselves unable to predict the stock's next direction, as it holds the potential to move in either direction. The stock has broken through a notably wide and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, there will now be support at the upper boundary of the recently broken trend, positioned at $8.54. This could provide a second chance for those looking to capitalize on an upward movement. According to fan theory, the next potential peak level is $13.63, which is likely to serve as a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. Examining the 3-month trend reveals a possible change of 84.66% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 45.94% to 33.91%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 59.09% over the coming year, with a potential return ranging from negative 57.87% to 0.58%. This translates to a price range from $4.96 to $11.84 after a year. Our latest daily update for Palladyne AI includes the headline: significant movements in Palladyne AI Corp stock price on Friday, fluctuating 70.3% between high and low. The Palladyne AI Corp stock price experienced a rise of 61.45% on the last trading day, Friday, the 27th of December, 2024, climbing from $7.29 to $11.77. This marks 5 consecutive days of gains. It will be intriguing to see if this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 70.3%, ranging from a low of $8.25 to a high of $14.05. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen 7 times and has increased by 231.55% over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume rose on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with 1 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 72 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $846.27 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $14.05, while the lowest was $0.45. Currently, the price is 16.23%, or $2.28 below the 52-week high, and 57.45%, or $15.89 below the all-time high reached on June 6, 2022, when the price hit $27.66. Palladyne AI Corporation, recognized for its development of advanced artificial intelligence software for robotic and unmanned platforms, has recently made significant advancements, particularly through its collaboration with Red Cat. This partnership positions Palladyne's pilot software as a potential standard for teal drones under the United States Army's SRR program, underscoring its importance in military robotics. This alliance could act as a major growth catalyst for Palladyne, especially in defense applications, where the demand for autonomous systems is continually increasing. Recently, Palladyne achieved a notable milestone by successfully completing the first flight of a small drone utilizing its pilot software. This accomplishment demonstrates its capabilities in autonomous tracking and target identification. Such achievements not only bolster the company's technological credibility, but also pave the way for further engagements with military contracts. Furthermore, Palladyne announced the successful conclusion of the first phase of a multi-million-dollar contract with the United States Air Force, further solidifying its standing in the defense sector. These successes indicate a promising trajectory for the company in both short and long-term performance. On the financing side, the recent direct offering of $7 million could provide Palladyne with the necessary funds to support its ongoing projects, although the potential dilution of shares may impact the stock price in the short term. Nevertheless, as the defense sector increasingly adopts AI-driven solutions, Palladyne's innovations and partnerships are poised to enhance investor confidence, potentially leading to long-term stock appreciation as the company secures its position in these growing markets. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to Palladyne AI's stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also recommend a strong sell for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Palladyne AI. The Palladyne AI Corporation stock is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels at $5.41 and $4. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, December 19, 2024, and since then, the stock has experienced an increase of 276.04%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. The volume is also rising in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have been noted, which may impact the near-term developments. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 6 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 238 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average gives a sell signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 25 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a buy signal from 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 59 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palladyne AI. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock is likely to exhibit considerable movement throughout the day, showing a high degree of volatility. With a substantial prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be at very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $5.80 between its highest and lowest points, reflecting a movement of 70.3%. In the last week, the stock has averaged daily volatility of 39.77%. Before we dive into potential trading levels for Palladyne AI, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and could indicate potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 26th of February, 2025. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palladyne AI. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could rise quickly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, suggesting that the stock might experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. It's advisable to proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Palladyne AI from various analyst sources indicates a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of November, 2024, Garagic Dennis executed an insider sale of 969 shares of common stock. On the same day, Matthew Vogt conducted an insider sale of 324 shares of common stock. Also, on the 20th of November, 2024, Trevor Thatcher performed an insider sale of 257 shares of common stock. On that date, Stephen Son executed an insider sale of 794 shares of common stock. Earlier, on the 31st of October, 2024, Dennis M. Weibling made an insider purchase of 215,053 shares of common stock. Based on the 86 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 83.256. In total, insiders purchased 2,233,570 shares and sold 248,144 shares in the last 86 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.37, representing a decrease of 3.38%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces considerable risk. The 14-day relative strength index is at 81, significantly raising the risk factor. Additionally, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 5 days ago. Is Palladyne AI stock a good buy? Palladyne AI Corp exhibits several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is more appropriate to view it as a hold candidate, meaning you may want to maintain or accumulate your position while waiting for further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and trading movements from the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 30th of December, we anticipate that Palladyne AI will open lower with a decline of approximately 413/10,000ths of a dollar, starting at $11.36. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.